Hi everyone! Welcome back to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. I'm Anna, your English teacher, and today we're learning useful hotel English, how to check in and ask for services at a hotel. Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more learners. Ready to travel? Let's go to a hotel together.
John, imagine we just arrived at a hotel. I'll be the hotel receptionist first, and you try to check in, okay?
Okay, I'll try.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name John Brown.
Perfect start. Quick note. Check in. Reservation. Let's continue.
May I have your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Nice. Then the receptionist usually says, "Thank you. You booked a double room for 2 nights, is that correct?"
Yes, that's correct.
Great job!
Now, John, try asking about breakfast, Wi-Fi, and checkout time.
Okay. Excuse me. Is breakfast included?
Perfect. The receptionist might answer, yes, breakfast is included. It's served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor. Now, Wi-Fi.
Is the Wi-Fi free?
Nice and natural. Receptionist answer, yes, the Wi-Fi is free. The password is printed on your room key. And what about checkout?
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Now, imagine you're in your room and need something. You call reception. I'll be reception again. Ring, ring.
Hello, this is room 305. I'd like to request an extra towel, please.
Certainly. We'll send it to your room in 10 minutes.
Good.
You can also request extra pillow, room service, or housekeep. John, try asking about hotel facilities like the gym, pool, and spa.
Sure. Does the hotel have a gym?
Yes, we do. It's on the 5th floor, and it's open 24 hours.
Great. And is there a swimming pool?
Yes, the outdoor pool is on the rooftop. It's open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Awesome. One more. Do you have a spa service?
Yes, we do. The spa is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Would you like to book an appointment?
Not right now, thank you.
Many travelers need help with transport or recommendations. Try these.
Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Sure. There's a great Italian restaurant just 5 minutes walk from the hotel.
And do you offer airport shuttle service?
Yes, we have an airport shuttle. It costs $15 per person. Ending review. John, you did an amazing job today. We learned how to check in at a hotel, ask about services and facilities, and call reception for help.
Thank you, Anna. I feel more confident using English at a hotel now.
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which hotel service do you use most when you travel? See you in the next lesson. Bye!